Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest, sharp, and visually rich product breakdowns. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best drying rack for your kitchen, the Sakugi stainless steel dish drying rack. Compact, efficient, and stylish, this little unit might be the countertop upgrade you didn't know you needed. Let's jump right into the unboxing. The first thing you'll notice is how sleek and minimal the design is. Measuring 12 inches wide and 15.6 inches long, it's a compact rack meant to maximize limited space, whether you're in a small apartment or just like keeping your counter clutter-free. Whether you're rinsing off after a heavy load or just washing a couple of plates, it's designed for long-term use. It's clean, efficient, and works silently in the background, doing exactly what it's supposed to. Let's zoom into capacity. Though it's small, this drying rack can hold up to 6 standard-sized plates, along with bowls and glasses. The side cutlery holder is divided into 2 compartments, helping you organize forks, knives, spoons, or even chopsticks neatly. It's compact, but doesn't feel limited. You can tell every inch of space was well considered. One of the often overlooked elements in dish racks is stability, but Sakugi has nailed it here. The base has 4 anti-slip silicone leg covers that keep it from sliding around, even on wet or glossy counters. If you live in a small space, appreciate smart design, or just want a no-fuss, stylish drying solution that actually works, this is it. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who's tired of soggy dish towels, the Sakugi dish drying rack offers a clean, compact, and reliable solution. That's the kind of smart kitchen gear we love to see. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and breakdowns. See you in the next one.